This is question 3 from the vectors paper. Again, I'm going to say all the questions here. What you need to do is define all the vectors that you can possibly define straight away, and then take it from there. Then think about answering the questions. Now, because this is a parallelogram, what it's saying to you is this vector here is exactly the same as this vector here. Notice how I'm putting the arrows in. That is very important. And this vector here, PQ, is the same as OR. So again, I put my vectors in. So I end up with this. Now, I'm just very curious, and before they've even asked me a question, I would like to know what OQ is. Okay, I would like to know what the whole vector OQ is. And I can see if I go on the journey OQ, and I'll just write this here, OQ, I know the journey OQ is 2P plus 2R. Or if I actually wanted to write the journey down, that's OP plus PQ. And that's what the vector is. So here, I can actually write that in. 2p plus 2r. That is that vector. Now the question says that m is a midpoint. So therefore I know this is p plus r, and I know this is p plus r, and I know my vectors are going in those directions. So that will help me if I need to define anything else. And yes, I do. I need to define OM. So OM, I can see, is P plus R. There we go. Done it. P plus R. Let's write it in. Now, the second part of this question is a proof. Using the vectors, prove that M is also the midpoint of PR. So what I would actually do is draw in PR. Okay, and I would actually write down what PR is. So PR would be forwards through here, so that's PQ, minus, or plus there, QR. And that would give me 2R minus 2P. That is my PR. Now that is a mark. They're looking for that. They're looking for that as part of your question. So then what you need to do is think to yourself, well, if I was to go PM, if I was to do PM, which is here, I would go up to PQ and add on QM. That would give me 2R minus P minus R. Notice how both of these vectors here have turned into a minus P and a minus R, because I'm going not this way through the vector, I'm going from this side to this side. Therefore the arrow changes round, and so does the values. So that's why I have this here. So therefore PM vector is equal to 2R minus R, which is R, and a minus P.